Sir, I have a question regarding selling a nonprofit corporation. It's registered with the state of Michigan as a recreational club. There's 10 members in the club, and we decided to sell it. And there's some concern about distributing the funds. Are the funds to be distributed equally among all the members, or how is that done? Do you?
Well, tell us a little bit about the nonprofit. Does it have any assets of any kind?
Yeah, we sit on 200 acres and have a small cabin and a couple of outbuildings. We have it listed for $225,000.
So let me ask you, what part of that is the nonprofit? I don't understand that. Do you guys do any service for the public or anything like that? Because it doesn't sound like necessarily it is qualified technically as a nonprofit.
I don't know. The club's been in existence for about 58 years, and I've only been a member like several years. So when it was originated by the original folks that bought the property, they registered it to the state and the federal, I think, as a nonprofit corporation. That's what I'm told. Other than that, I mean.
Do you guys have any kind of operating agreement when they set this thing up that kind of dictates what you're supposed to do?
Well, I'm looking at the bylaws now,
okay.
And there's nothing in there that defines. All it says it's a recreational club. That's all it says.
Right, but usually in bylaws or any kind of operating agreement, it'll tell you what happens when you're dissolving the corporation of how you're.
Yeah,
I guess at this point.
That's the issue. It does not.
Okay.
So let me ask you this: how do you guys handle members who come and then leave? I mean, do you get an actual a document that says they're resigning from the club, they no longer have any interest in it? The thing I'm concerned about is if you've had this thing for how many years? You said 50?
About 58 years or so.
How many former members out there that when they hear they're going to be sold are going to say that they never dropped out? They're still members. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, here's the deal. When you join the club, it costs you $3,000 to join the club. When you leave the club, pay you off. It will give you $2,000 to leave the club. I mean, not to leave. They'll write a letter saying, I'm terminating my membership in this club, and say, okay, then we pay that person $2,000 and they're out.
You know what I think you guys should do? Have you contacted a lawyer other than us by now?
No.
All right. So listen, what you need is a lawyer that really knows the Corporation and Securities Act in Michigan, and the only guy I can think of that is really top flight. In fact, he's one of Crane's top 100 lawyers in the state of Michigan. Our good friend Scott Decius.
Yep.
What's his name, please, Scott?
Scott Decius. He's in our office. Did you give Percy your phone number and your name?
Yeah. Yes, I did.
All right. So listen, I'm going to give Scott your number. He's going to call you sometime this week, and he will sit down and figure this out. If he can't figure it out, it's not figure-outable. Okay?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's really top flight. So when you talk to him, tell him that you called on the Law Show and that Brian and Justin told you to get in touch with him. He's going to call you, and you're going to be in good shape. Where is the property?
It's in the northern part of Michigan, near East Jordan.
So I'm assuming it's a hunting club, right?
Yeah, it's a hunting club, it's a snowmobile club, it's a hiking club. I mean, all these different members do different things. Most of the members are hunters, but we do have snowmobilers in there, and we have guys just to go up there and kick back.
How many members?
10.
10. Okay. All right. Well, listen, you'll appreciate speaking with Scott. I'll make sure he gets in touch with you on Monday or Tuesday, okay?
Thank you. Appreciate your time, sir.